सो अब हम आ गए हैं किया के इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम पे। तो दिस इज़ अ ड्यूअल टच स्क्रीन। आई थिंक दिस इज़ 10.25 ड्यूअल, दिस वन एंड दैट एंड द अदर वेयर यू हैव द डिटेल्स अबाउट द ओडोमीटर। सो इसमें हमारे पास ये सारा जो पैनल है इट इज़ टच बेस्ड, सो यू कैन चेंज इट फ्रॉम हेयर। सो इफ़ यू दिस कम्स फॉर द क्लाइमेट। जैसे अभी मैंने ऑन किया है तो क्लाइमेट का ऑन हो गया है, तो कैन ऑफ द एसी फ्रॉम हेयर। ऑफ करंटली हमने ऑफ कर दिया सारा कुछ, and so it's got this 10.25 inch touch screen, quite a मतलब स्क्रीन की जो लेआउट है तो कोई भी लैग नहीं है, इट रियली वर्क्स वेरी फाइन। यू हैव दिस मैप मोड, you have this then you have this media, you can have all those FM and all those things. So here you have now, if you go to the menu main, display off, if you just say have the display off, and then you can just pull it down over here, media off, then you can close it. And if you want to go to the home screen, this is the home screen, navigation, phone projection. You don't have connected any device currently. Climate control, all the climate control comes over here. So there is a gap over here which you see, which was not in Ceros, I think. Yes, Ceros में gap covered था. So you have currently the AQI, outside temperature, AC off. Currently हमारा जो AC है off किया हुआ है हमने, and Kia Connect settings, you've got a lot of settings in it, sound, even voice settings. So it's quite a nice touch screen, quite responsive. So let's go into this menu. So this one is it will tell you, so from here, so the cruise control is now over here. Cruise अब इधर आ गया, पहले उधर होता था, so it's reversed now. So you can just pop it over here to have these ड्राइव TPMS जब ड्राइव करेंगे तब आएगा, ठीक है। इसके अंदर हमारे पास ये टॉगल करेंगे तो हमारे पास सेंसरी फ्यूलिंग स्पीड का है, फिर ये सेंसरास रीसेट, then you have this is refueling and current trip. So it's quite these are very premium kind of buttons. It's not like they are flimsy or something. Yeah, so all those controls are really very good. Voice commands, this is the favorite button you can have. So the materials and everything is quite good. So here it's like this. So how do you change this layout? I think you can change this layout as well. सो ये हमारे पास अभी इसको हम अगर लॉन्ग प्रेस करते हैं तो यस, सो दिस इज़ द गायरोमीटर, थिंक यस। सो ये हमारा लेआउट है, ये हमारे मोड्स हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है। ये हमारा स्टॉक है फॉर द वाइपर्स, दिस इज स्टॉक फॉर द इंडिकेटर्स एंड ऑल. So this is how it is, and these are the AC buttons, which doesn't look that premium. ये quality थोड़ी सी, otherwise car is got full, what would you say, it's got quite a nice layout. And so yes, this is it. So if you press over here, you can, this is AC, you can just, so it's, yes, you can have these are physical controls also. You can have these physical controls as well, and you can have these touch as well. So, and these I think change once you press. I think you can have this changed also. इसमें I think जब ये change हो जाता है, अगर हम इसको, yes, you can have this change, yeah. So इसमें हम यहाँ पे अगर दबाते हैं तो AC के controls आ जाएंगे, जब हम इसको दबाते हैं तो AC कंट्रोल आ जाएंगे, और ये दबाएंगे तो हमारे पास ये सेटअप, मीडिया, रेडियो, सीक, ट्रैक, नेविगेशन, मैप, ये कंट्रोल्स आ जाएंगे. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ a good touch. So this is the infotainment system. So here it's asking to put us the memory card. So this is the interior layout of Kia Careens Clavis, and that's it. I think इसमें और कुछ है बताने लायक कुछ है नहीं. So we have not driven the car. Once we drive, we will have our drive reviews as well. Thank you.